Hi there. Okay, welcome to Function 365. We're currently looking at a demo environment, and we're going to go through the steps one by one that are provided to us in feedback by Google. First and foremost of these was to show how the sign-up works. Before I do that, I'd like to show you the function365.co.uk website and the link to the customer privacy notice directly on the homepage of the Function 365 website. This speaks to, again, how we use customer data and what's done with that. This is a demo environment where we're going to go ahead and log in with the demo practitioner to be able to show you the various steps. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so this is again how the user signs into the application and then goes to sign up and grant access. This is the practitioner's home screen where they have their calendar with their appointments for the day, which they can then book, organize, etc., and manage the medical records of the patient inside the Function 365 application. To connect with Google Calendar and sign up, okay, to grant access, they're going to go to their account settings and then go to the Connect Calendar function, okay. And again, here on this page, we link directly to our privacy notice of Function 365 for our customers or clients, which explains what we do with the data they provide. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and connect the calendar inside F365 with their Google Calendar. Okay. And the URL bar is fully visible. The OAuth bar there, which is apparently we're missing, with client ID is currently visible. Of course, we're getting a warning because this hasn't been approved yet. I think we can see that Function 365 is definitely there. There's the developer contact email details as well. And again, on the OAuth consent screen, we're here showing the URL bar as well. Again, the Function 365 developer name is clearly visible. We're choosing the practitioner, the email account for them. Obviously, we've done that, the developer name. And that's true because to edit events, add and edit events on the calendar, we're going to go ahead and allow that. And now here we have, we've gone straight back into the application, okay? An additional level of control that we provide to meet the obligations of the clinician is so that they can put the full name of their patient, the patient's initials, or indeed no details about their patient into Google Calendar to meet the obligations of their privacy for their patients and confidentiality for their patients. So let's go back to the calendar home screen here. So now we're on the calendar page for the patient, for the practitioner. And we will see that this is synced up with Google Calendar. I'm just going to open the practitioner's Google Calendar so we can see the two side by side and switch back and forth between the two. So now here's the practitioner Google Calendar inside Google Calendar, obviously. And those are now synced up. So if we book an appointment inside F365, we want that to go into the Google Calendar so that the practitioner can manage their life, basically, and see the appointments that they have. So let's go ahead and book an appointment. So this is how events are added to the Google Calendar of the practitioner. So we've added one for Adele Williams, which we will now see in the Google Calendar as we add an event. The other thing that happens a lot is patients change their minds. They need to reschedule. So we need to support that. So we're going to drag from 1:30 and change the appointment time on that one. So it's now been moved to 1 p.m. And we see the same in Google Calendar. Okay. The other thing that can happen is patients may cancel for whatever reason. So we're going to go ahead and cancel the appointment. And we'll do this with no fee. We can ignore the, the accounting side for now. Nothing to do with Google Calendar. But yeah, we've removed that appointment for that patient. And now we see that that has also been removed from Google Calendar as well. Going through the checklist back from Google in the email, we've ensured that we showed how the user signs up to the application, the URL bar is visible, the OAuth consent screen is seen by what's seen by the end users, and then we've shown point 3, which is how are those scopes used by the application, why are they necessary? And I hope we've been able to demonstrate that very clearly, very effectively.